This project investigated the moth effect, which refers to the tendency of drivers to inadvertently steer their vehicles toward a light source on the side of the road, such as a law enforcement vehicle. We measured the extent to which a driver's blood alcohol concentration influences the moth effect, how much drivers under the influence will deviate their vehicle's lane placement approaching a light source, how frequently drivers glance at that light source, how the size of the pupils varies depending on where drivers aim their gaze, and how the speed of their vehicles is affected. These measurements were determined by analyzing a dataset that the authors had amassed in a previous study. In one segment of that study, drivers passed by a law enforcement vehicle parked on the side of the road with its flashing lights on. We concluded that all participants did, in fact, drift toward the law enforcement vehicle with active flashing lights, but none actually drifted out of the lane. The amount that they deviated in the lane varied by participant and blood alcohol concentration level. Pupils of the participants were smaller when looking at the law enforcement vehicle. However, pupils tended to be larger at a higher blood alcohol concentration level. Drivers who had consumed no alcohol tended to drive more slowly. However, there was very little overall difference noted in vehicle speed at the two blood alcohol concentration levels. Overall, we found that the moth effect is indeed a factor that can cause drivers to deviate their vehicle's placement within the lane. Also, we confirmed that bright light sources will affect the pupils of drivers who are impaired by alcohol differently than those of drivers who are not impaired.